Now, let us begin our class with Brahmanad. Om. Om. Shanti. 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 Swastha. Good morning, children. Today we will discuss the remaining part of the first unit of the lesson after 20 years by O. Henry. In our previous class, we discussed that the police officer was on his patrolling duty. When he was on his patrolling duty, he was enjoying his duty. How was he enjoying his duty? He was enjoying his duty by interesting movements with his baton. Clear? But the atmosphere was not at all friendly. The atmosphere was quite unfavorable. How was the atmosphere quite unfavorable on that night? Because when he was on his patrolling duty, it was 10 o'clock at night, or we can say it was 10 p.m. The cool breeze was blowing, and at the same time, it was also drizzling. This way, the atmosphere was quite unfavorable. Though the atmosphere was quite unfavorable, the police officer was enjoying his duty. There were not many people on the road. They had already gone home. A few people could be found on the road. The locality where he was doing his patrolling duty was depeopled. And it was the business locality. Most of the shops of the area or of the locality had been closed. Only a few shops were open. A cigar store, an all-night hotel, and one or two tailoring shops were open. But soon they were going to close their shops. So lights were coming from a cigar store, an all-night hotel, and one or two tailoring shops. See, the police officer was doing his duty very smartly. And while doing his duty, he was turning round frequently in order to check whether the doors of the shops were closed or not. He also remembered, while doing his patrolling duty, what he was said by his boss. What was he said by his boss? He was said by his boss about a notorious criminal. What information had the boss given to the police officer. The boss had given the information to the police officer in the morning that the criminal had pale face, square jaws, deep dark eyes, and a white mark near his right eyebrow. This much information was given to him by his boss in the morning, and he remembered while doing his patrolling duty what he was said about the criminal by his boss. Then he took out his pocket book and a $5 note to confirm himself whether the note was genuine note or a fake note. Because the criminal was involved in printing the counterfeit notes. It's a crime. A person who is involved in printing the counterfeit notes is also a crime, and those who are involved in crimes are called criminals. Of course, I have also said to you, smuggler. Yes, he was also a smuggler. That person was also a smuggler, was also called a smuggler. Thereafter, the police officer saw the sketch that was given to him by the police department. After watching the sketch of that notorious criminal from his pocketbook, he thought, what is the chance for him to capture or to catch that notorious criminal? Because the criminal was residing in Chicago and the police officer was posted in New York. Of course, the police officer was born and brought up in New York. After completion of his studies, he joined in the police department and he was posted also in New York. And Chicago is far away from New York. That means thousands of miles away from New York. So he thought, what possibility is there for him to catch that notorious criminal? The police officer had been in this department or in police department for last 18 years. But he had never been awarded by the police organization. He thought if he caught that notorious criminal, then he would definitely be awarded by the police organization. Luck had not favored him. Luck owes a debt. If his good luck favored him, then it would be possible on his part to catch that notorious criminal. Then he would certainly be awarded by the police organization. Now let us go through the remaining part of Unit 1 of the lesson after 20 years. See here, he was in the habit of talking to himself, sometimes when nobody was by. When nobody was by, that means when nobody was nearby him, he was in the habit of talking to himself sometimes. So what habit did the police officer have? The police officer had the habit to talking himself when nobody was nearby him. So it was his habit. Understood? He was in the habit. The police officer was in the habit of talking to himself sometimes when nobody was nearby. At the same time, he liked. What did he like? He liked to refer to himself as a boy, though he was 40. So how old was the police officer? He was 40 years old. The police officer was 40 years old. Though he was 40 years old, he liked to refer to himself as a boy. So, in our previous discussion, what did I say to you? He petted or he consoled himself by referring himself as a boy. So, he liked to refer to himself as a boy, though he was 40 years old. There was another thing in his mind. When he was on his patrolling duty, another thing was going on in his mind. He looked at his watch and came to know that it was 10:15. When he looked at his watch, what was the time? The time was 10:15. A quarter means a quarter of an hour means 15 minutes. 10:15 means 15 minutes past 10 or 10:15 p.m. So when he looked at his watch, it was 15 past 10 p.m. 15 minutes more. 15 minutes more. You can guess when he said to us 15 minutes more. That means 10:30. 30 past 10. He had made an appointment to meet with his friend. He had made an appointment some 20 years before. He had not forgotten the commitment that he had made with his friend. And what was the commitment? The commitment was wherever they would be or whatever their position might be, they would come after the completion of 20 years at the same time and at the same place to meet with each other. So 15 minutes more means at 10:30 he had to keep his commitment which he had made with his friend some 20 years before. It was a long road. The road where he was patrolling was a long road, but there was enough time. 15 minutes was 15 minutes is an enough time. 15 minutes is enough time. After a minute, he described. After a minute, he described. D-E-S-C-R-I-E-D. Described means saw from a distance. Described. Described means saw from a distance. What did he describe? After a minute, he described about 500 meters ahead the outline of a man near the doorway of a darkened hardware store. Here outline means a general sketch. So after a minute, he saw about 500 meters ahead. 500 meters ahead, a sketch of a man near the darkened hardware store. So he found a person standing near the darkened hardware store, near the doorway of a darkened hardware store. When he found a person standing near the doorway of a darkened hardware store, he wanted to reach there quickly. So what did he do? In order to reach there quickly, he quickened his steps. He did not run, but he quickened his steps so that he would reach near the doorway of the darkened hardware store quickly. He quickened his steps. The place was slightly dark. The place was not completely dark, but it was slightly dark, lying exactly midway between two lamp posts. That hardware store where a man was found standing was in between two lamp posts. So the place was not completely dark, but the place was slightly dark. As that hardware store was lying exactly midway between two lamp posts. After reaching there, the police officer was about to address the man, but changed his mind. See, after reaching near the doorway of the hardware store, he wanted to ask something to the person who was standing there, but he changed his mind. He changed his decision and allowed the man to begin. And the police officer allowed the man who was standing near the doorway of the hardware store to say something to him. The man realized, here the man refers to the man who was standing near the doorway of that hardware store, realized. What did he realize? The way he was standing must make a person feel suspicious. The man realized that the way he was standing there must look suspicious to one who did not know about his story. The man realized that the way he was standing there must look suspicious to one who does not know his story. So he said, so the person standing near the doorway of the hardware store said to the policeman, as the policeman walked up to him, "It is all right, officer. I am just waiting for a friend." First of all, when the police officer walked up to him, the man who was standing near the hardware store said to the police officer that he was waiting for a friend. It is an appointment made 20 years ago, and he added that he had made an appointment some 20 years ago. It sounds a little funny to you, does not it? Does not it? Is question tag. Well, I will explain. Then the man standing near the hardware store said to the police officer, I will explain so as to, or in order to remove all doubts or all suspicions from your mind. Then the man standing near the doorway of the hardware store said, about 20 years ago, there used to be a restaurant where this store stands now. Where this store this hardware store stands now. Some 20 years before, there was no hardware store in this place, but there was a restaurant. And the name of the restaurant was Brady's Restaurant. Until 5 years ago, said the officer, it was torn down then. Thereafter, the police officer said to the man standing near the doorway of the hardware store, until 5 years ago, until 5 years ago, that Brady's Restaurant was torn down, pulled away. Torn down means pulled away. He was about to take the hand of the stranger. Then the police officer understood that the person who was standing near the doorway of a darkened hardware store was no other than his friend with whom he had made a commitment some 20 years before, that wherever they would be and whatever their position might be, they would come after the completion of 20 years and would meet at that same place and at the same time with each other. So he was about to take the hand of the stranger, but checked himself. He did not shake his hand with his friend, but he checked, shaking his hand with his friend. Why did he check shaking his hand with his friend, though he recognized the man who was standing near the doorway of the hardware store was his friend with whom he had made the promise or the commitment to meet after the completion of 20 years exactly at the same place and at the same time. The man in the doorway struck a match, because the man at that time struck his match to light his cigarette. To light his cigar means to light his cigarette. And when he lighted his cigarette, the police officer could see the face of the man standing near the doorway of the hardware store. And when he saw the face of that man standing near the doorway of the hardware store, he found pale face, square jaws, deep and dark eyes, and a white scar near the right eyebrow of that person. So he checked himself to shake his hand with that person, though that person was no other than his friend with whom he had made his commitment. The policeman had a chance to look at the face of the man and found all the things that he was said by his boss in the morning. That the person had pale face, square jaws, deep and dark eyes, and a little white scar near his right eyebrow. Now, let me ask you one or two questions. What did he recount while doing his patrolling duty? While doing his patrolling duty, he recounted or he remembered he remembered the commitment that he had made with his friend 20 years before. And on that day, 20 years was going to be completed. So he had to keep his promise. He had to go to the place at that exact time in order to keep his commitment. So he remembered the commitment he had made with his friend some 20 years ago. Clear? What did he find near the doorway of a darkened hardware store? He found the outline of a man standing near the doorway of a darkened hardware store. So what did he do when he found an outline of a man standing near the doorway of a hardware store? When he found the outline of a man standing the doorway of a darkened hardware store, he quickened his steps so as to reach there quickly. Did he address the person who was standing near the hardware store after reaching there? No, he did not address the man who was standing at the doorway of the darkened store, but he allowed the man to speak to him. How did he come to know that the man who was standing near the doorway of the hardware store was his friend? Because the man said to him that he was waiting for a friend with whom he had made a commitment that he would come and meet at the same place and at the same time after the completion of 20 years. So the police officer came to know that the man who was standing near the doorway of a darkened hardware store was no other than his own friend with whom he had made a commitment 20 years before. Why did he not shake his hand with his friend? He did not shake his hand with his friend because he saw when the man lighted his cigarette that he could find what he was said about a notorious criminal by his police boss or officer. He was said by his boss, the criminal had a pale face, square jaws, deep and dark eyes, and a little white mark near his eyebrow. And he found the same face in his friend. So he did not shake his hand with his friend when he met him at the doorway of that hardware store. In our next class, we will go through the second unit of the lesson after 20 years.